What is up, you guys? Hope you guys are having a great day. Today we have another big update. Three of the biggest coins, Chainlink, Bitcoin, and Ethereum, is currently struggling. Is Chainlink right now breaking out of the bearish pennant that we talked about in yesterday's video? If you haven't seen yesterday's video, please go check it out. In this video, I will show you the next target for Chainlink, so it's important that you watch the whole video. Also, guys, we're going to take a look at Bitcoin because Bitcoin is currently breaking the support right here. What does this mean for Bitcoin in the short term and in the long term? Where is Bitcoin going to go next? The whole crypto space, I think, is holding their breath because there are so many coins that is on the verge of critical support. You have Chainlink, you have Bitcoin, you have Ethereum. All of these coins are at major support, and if they break down, it could get ugly for the next 2 to 3 weeks, but we will take a look at that, so stay tuned for the whole video. To my subscribers, thank you so much. I can't explain to you how grateful I am. 274 subscribers in only 15 days. That is amazing, guys. Let's get that number to 300 now, shall we? And if you are new here and you want quality price analysis of Bitcoin, Chainlink daily, and some cryptocurrency news, feel free to subscribe to the channel. Welcome, guys. My name is Andreas, and like I've said many times, I've been in Bitcoin for 3 years and I've invested for over 4 years. But today, before we start today's episode, I would really appreciate it, guys, if you could do something for me. Please comment down below what crypto coins you own. I would really appreciate that. Anyways, let's get this video started. Let's continue from where we left out in yesterday's video. We talked about the bearish pennant, and it looks like that is exactly what is playing out. Let's draw up the bearish pennant, and as you guys can see, Chainlink is breaking out of this pennant. It just broke the support line, and now Chainlink is falling. But is Chainlink in a free fall? No. Chainlink is not in a free fall. I'm going to show you right now where Chainlink has support. Chainlink will find some support of around this area of $13. What's most likely going to happen next now, let's take a measurement so we can actually see where Chainlink should be going. We measure from the breakout to the bottom. Let's move the line from where Chainlink fell and to the support line. So this matches up pretty good that Chainlink will find support somewhere around 13.2. So 13.2 will be a crucial level. Am I saying 100% Chainlink is going to come all the way down here today or tomorrow? No, I'm not saying that, but it's looking like it because this bearish pennant, as we talked about in yesterday's video, this bearish pennant. And also, if we do take a look at the volume isn't that impressive either. It's not looking too good. Like I marked down here, very little volume, and the price did drop. That means there's not a lot of buyers. It's not a lot of interest right now. Nobody is buying it. And you also have to think about currently Bitcoin is struggling. But even if Chainlink is breaking out of this bearish pennant and we are currently falling, that does not mean Chainlink can't go up again, but is not looking very likely at the moment. What is most likely at the moment is that we're going to come down and find some support. This support line is going to be crucial because Chainlink has currently gotten a 32% correction in a very short time. Could Chainlink have a 50% correction? I'll show you that scenario too. Let's take a look at it, because if Chainlink decides to come down here, test the support, but if we're not able to hold the support in this area, our next target, and I don't want to say it, I've been saying it in my videos, and of course I can't know this 100%, but I'm just looking at the chart and I'm trying to give you guys the best information. And if any of you guys are long, you are very brave. Like, again, I can't say I'm giving you guys financial advice, but I'm just giving you my analysis, and I'm trying to be as objective as I can. But if Chainlink decides to break the line up here of around $13.2 and we do come down here, then we're going to come all the way down to around $10.1 or $11 out. The breakout happen around here. If we do decide to come down all the way to 11, that means Chainlink will have dropped a total of 46%. And if you guys think about this, in the previous bull run of Bitcoin in 2017, for you guys who were a part of it, I was a part of it. That bull run, we experienced 3 or 4 40% drop on the way up. You know, when I say this is completely normal, this is crypto. So in crypto, this is completely normal. It's like a healthy consolidation. So that's the way you can look at it. And also that's going to allow you to accumulate more at lower prices. And don't be afraid, because this is crypto. And like I said, if you are in this project for the long term and you believe in Chainlink, you should definitely be happy about this and continue dollar cost averaging in. Should you sell? I can't give you that answer. I'm not sitting here giving financial advice. I'm basically giving you an analysis of the chart. Like I mentioned every time, the long-term trend line is so important to draw up. Let's draw up the long-term trend line because a lot of people tend to forget this parabolic run happened just in a matter of less than a month. We are in August here, so all of this has happened in less than 1 month. Try and have some perspective, guys, and look at the long-term trend line. The long-term trend line is still intact, is looking very good. If we do decide to come all the way down here, it's not that bad. This would be a great place to accumulate more if you're patient enough. You know, in crypto, if you want to make money, it's all about being patient. Don't FOMO. You know, if you see a project go parabolic like Chainlink, it's always good to be patient, sit in the background. Let's see what happens. And when it comes down, then you can reaccumulate a little bit more. So here we have Bitcoin, guys. Let's analyze Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is struggling too, and that is usually not a good sign for any coins when Bitcoin is struggling. And here you can see Bitcoin, if we zoom in a little bit, Bitcoin just broke under this, and this could get really ugly really fast. We will see. Bitcoin is at 11,300. And where would the next target be? You know, it's looking like Bitcoin is going to break down. Where Bitcoin is going to go, most people think it's 10,500, just simply because we have so much support here, or resistance that has now turned support. We have it all the way here, so there's a lot of resistance that's turned support. So a lot of people are guessing that we're going to come all the way down to the mark here of 10,500. But maybe because so many people think we're going to do that, we're not going to do that. We might also be forming if we draw the trend line a little different here, you know, this could also be the trend, so that we haven't broken it yet. If we draw this as a trend line, touch, that Bitcoin is touching here, barely touching there, and touching here. So maybe there still is a possibility for a reversal. We will see, but things are looking very shaky now, guys. But this is a good time to reaccumulate. So for true investors that are in this for the next 4, 5, 6 years, and who are working hard at their jobs, we should be happy. We can accumulate even more. It makes me happy. I'm not afraid. If you're in this just to make money fast, you know, 6 months, you're most likely not going to do very good, because it pays off to be an investor. It pays off to believe in something. It pays off to have a conviction in something. And I would recommend all of you have conviction in what you invest in. Stay with it, enjoy it, and don't think about getting rich. Think about enjoying investing. That's the right mindset, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and if you did, feel free to subscribe to the channel, guys, and I'll give you guys an important update tomorrow.